My name is John Carruthers. I am a luthier. Luthier came from the word lute. People who made lutes from the Renaissance period were called luthiers, and the name carried through on anybody that made string type instruments. First of all, we start with the initial concept of what type of guitar we're trying to make. Then we'll do computer drawings of that design. Our next step in building the guitar is that we have to select the type of woods that we want to use, and then we have to cut them to size, and then we have to join them. Guitars are usually made out of wood. You have trees that grow, and then we harvest the trees. We cut them into planks, and we take the planks and make guitars from them. The next step is that we have to join the two halves together. We have a clamping device that we made that basically uses hydraulic jacks to apply pressure to the two halves. We put glue in between them. We get a very tight joint that way. Now we have the glued panels. We're going to take them over now to the sanding station and sand them down to the actual thickness that we want them to be. Right now what Brian's doing is he's programming the specifications for the particular model of instrument that we want to make. The guitar will go into the machine and be cut out to shape and size. All the control pockets and the pickup pockets and the neck pocket will be cut into the body. Then the body will come off the machine, and then a luthier will take the body and do the final blends and contours on it. So now Brian has to do all the rest of the work by hand. It's called detailing, and what he's really doing is blending out all the curves and removing all the scratch marks and cutter marks that are left by the cutters. Then the body will go into the paint process. It gets sealed. Then once it's sealed, it goes back to the luthiers again. They sand the sealer coat down so that it's smooth and that the body's completely even. And it goes back to the spray again, gets the color coat, and then possibly a clear coat over that. Then that color coat is color sanded, which means it's sanded with very fine sandpaper to make it flat and smooth. Then it's buffed. So we can take a quick look here. You can see how it's coming up. See, it's already glossed compared to here. And then it goes to the next step, which is assembly. In assembly, we take the guitar and we put all the pieces together. We take the pickups and electronics, put them in the guitar, we put the neck onto the guitar, then we put strings on and set it up and adjust it. Guitars are neat because you can carry them around with you and take them to different places. You can plug them in and make them loud enough that anybody can hear you, or you can play them very soft and just enjoy it yourself. It's very rewarding. It takes your mind from other things, and there's just a certain something that everybody likes about music.